In this video, I'll show you how to resize any video for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook in minutes using SubtitleBee. No complicated software. Open SubtitleBee.com and upload a new video or paste a YouTube or Vimeo link. Choose your spoken language if you want auto captions and create the project. Go to Export tab and choose the platform you want to resize your video for. This will resize your video and add background bars. You can edit the color and transparency of the background bars here. To fit in the full frame, you can use the crop feature. For YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, pick Story. For square Instagram posts, choose Square. For LinkedIn feed videos, choose Portrait. Use the scale to adjust how much of the video fills the frame. Click and drag to position the subject where you want it. Scrub the timeline and check key moments, intros, text callouts, and any movement. Review, edit, and delete the framing using the slider below. Adjust the framing if a subject moves out of the safe area. To remove the crop completely, delete the initial crop keyframe in the timeline. The video will revert to its original framing. Since I just want to resize my video, I'll skip the crop feature and resize my video for TikTok. Here's the final preview. Now click Export. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to SubtitleBee.